This real estate advantage property video is presented by Amy Garris. Quaint 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom fixer-upper. Nestled on a quiet rural neighborhood street within the desirable Forestville School District, this home offers the convenience of true first-floor living, with a bedroom, full bathroom, and laundry all located on the main level. Enter through the rear mudroom, which also houses the newer furnace and hot water tank. The spacious eat-in kitchen provides plenty of room to gather, and an additional small room off the back offers flexible use, ideal for extra pantry storage, a hobby space, or even a cozy home office or study. The first-floor full bathroom includes a full-sized washer and dryer for added convenience. The first-floor bedroom features a generous closet and direct access to the enclosed front porch, a bright, inviting space perfect for enjoying your morning coffee. The main living area is cozy and comfortable, with an adjoining space that can be used as a formal dining area or an additional sitting area to suit your needs. Upstairs, you'll find two well-sized bedrooms. One bedroom includes its own half bath with a shower, sink, and storage, and ample space to add a toilet to create a full bathroom if desired. Outside the home you will find a good-sized rear yard, 1.5 car garage, carport and a recently installed Generac generator for peace of mind. This home offers practicality and a flexible living option in a peaceful rural setting. The property is being sold mostly furnished, which provides a wonderful opportunity for an individual looking to start their journey as a homeowner, or add it to your portfolio to generate income. Listing agent is related to the sellers. For more information, review